Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel Ultimate Design. Today we are presenting one more latest video about how you can enhance the beauty of your house in budget. Introducing latest modern wall decors under 5000 rupees. आगे बढ़ने से पहले please subscribe to our channel to never miss our latest videos. Huge varieties of shapes and sizes, with a stunning work that seems to float airily across your wall. Ultimate Design provides you with the very new types of designs and patterns of wall decor items that you have never seen before. Let's go to our website, findinteriordesign.com, to know how you can get all the products showed in the video. This is the front page of our website. Scroll down and you'll see many options appearing. Go to the Interior Material and Services option. Here, you can see we have categorized each and every option separately, so that it becomes easier for you to choose from. Click on the wall decor option. You can see 5 different subcategories are appearing. Click on the rooms option. Here, you have to fill a form to get all the details. Now you'll get all the manufacturing and purchasing details of today's product. From here you can purchase all the products at their best prices. Or you can simply call on this number to contact directly to the manufacturers. Go to the other options to get more details. Hope you got a clear idea about our website. Let's get back into the video. Our wall decor items are formed of laser-cut metals, welded together for a striking display. Each item has a lacy, delicately textured cut-out design, inspired by natural elements. Each items are finished in hues of silver, gold, and pewter, creating an on-trend contemporary sculptured look that's perfect for a modern transitional space. Each piece has extremely sturdy eye hook hangers. In our website, you'll get quality products that will never disappoint you, as our primary focus is quality. We guarantee that every product we sell is meant to satisfy our customers. You can also customize or monogram the products according to your choice. We are always ready to answer all your questions for 24 hours and provide easy online claims. Let's find together the place you deserve. We always provide the best certified manufacturers from all over the India, so that you can get a great deal. Each and every items of our collection are designed by highly skilled professionals. Give your house a sophisticated finish with findinteriordesign.com. Please like our video, it motivates us to work more hard for you guys. Don't forget to comment down your opinions about the video, and please let us inform on which topic the next video should be.